toon cat cat, 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 toon cat cat cat. He hears the call and he is ready, on the move, it won't take long. He looks around and finds his gear, he left it right where it belongs. And he says, boots, check, helmet, check, face mask, check, check, jacket, check, gloves, check, macaroni and cheese.
No, we don't need that.
She hears the call and she is ready. She's the driver on this crew. She's got the map and all of that. She's got a checklist too. And she says, siren check, lights check, fire hose check, check, water check, ladder check, rubber ducky.
That's for my bath later.
Whatever the call, whatever the need, they are ready to rush right to the scene. Call 911 and here they come.
Community helpers keeping us safe when there's an emergency.
When you see the bright red lights spinning round and hear the siren calling, hey, hey, hey. When you see the big truck rolling, you know help is going where it's needed. Hey, hey, the firefighters are on their way, hey, hey, are on their way, hey, 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 hey. When they arrive, he grabs his gear and makes sure that it's all on right. He checks that the air tank works and that the mask fits tight. He's got his helmet and his boots, his jacket and the air tank too. He puts on his gloves and when he's through, he puts on his purple princess tiara.
Wait. A purple princess tiara?
It's just a little joke.
Oh.
But all joking aside, it is important to know the firefighters need their jackets to protect them from the heat. They use their masks and air tanks to breathe. And even though that equipment can look a little different, have no fear. You can be sure that there's a friendly hero wrapped in all that gear.
Hey, how you doing?
Great!
They can battle a fire,
Respond to a car crash,
and do CPR,
help with your family's fire escape plan.
and put up smoke alarms.
And don't forget, they also teach us ways to stay safe, all on our own. In our school, our neighborhood, and in our home. She hears the bell and she is ready, a little nervous but she is brave. Teaching Emma, Luke, and Freddie is what she needs to do today. And she says, lesson plan check, smoke alarm check, fire safety fun facts check, check, check. Excited students check, Sparky the fire dog check, and a fire safety song that we can all sing along.
Check. 2, 3.
When you see the bright red lights spinning round and hear the siren calling, hey, hey, hey. When you see the big truck trolling, you know help is going where it's needed. Hey, hey, the firefighters are on their way, hey, 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 are on their way, hey, 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 hey. When you see the bright red lights spinning round and hear the siren calling, hey, hey, hey. When you see the big truck trolling,